Right, in this video we're going to put this SignStek electronic touchscreen door lock on this door. All right, so it shouldn't be too hard. The first thing we want to do is we want to get our piece that goes in to the center of the door here, and we're just going to slide that in just like that. Boom, done. And then what we've got to do is just kind of want to screw it in there. But right now I think we got it in backwards. So it's got to go this way. All right, because this is going to slide into the door. All right, you follow me? So that's how that goes in. And then we just got to screw in our screws, right? So let's go ahead and put our screws in. This is our first step. And those two. Okay, that's in, right? Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our keypad side and we're going to feed it through the front of the door. So if you look at on here, you're going to see there's a little hole there and a hole there, and then there's a square hole there. So basically, these two posts are going to go through there, and that's going to go through the square hole here, these two posts here, through here and here, all right? So what I've got to do is I've got to get this smushed down like this so that it'll feed through there. So this is kind of precarious because I got to go kind of like over the top. So I've got to try to fit it in there. So I've got to kind of get this in that square, right? Once I'm in the square, I'm good. Then I got to fit this over the top of it. And then I'm going to slide this in. So we got her through there, right? So I've got to pull this piece through. And then I got to turn this. Oh, look, it's not. I got to get it even. Okay, there we go. Now I got it. So that's important. So here we are. We're on there. And let's take a look at it from back here. Now you can see the two posts are through there. We've got this part here pulled through. And so we're pretty good right now. All right, so the next thing we've got to do is put this plate on. Let me pull back a little bit. So the plate has two little holes here. If you look, there's a screw hole there and a screw hole there. And what that's going to do is it's going to lock that front tight against here. So we're going to slide this over just like that, right? Match up that hole there. Let's go ahead and get this one in. See if we can finger it a little bit. Oh, there we go. So I think we're good in that one. Now we got to look for the hole here. Stick her in. We just got to find it. I think we're on it. Okay, so now what we got to do is we got to just screw those in. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? Here we go. So you can see a little bit better. Bam. This way we don't have to do anything too special. There we are. Check it out. Oh, guess what? I'm out of battery. Shit. When we put this on, we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we just have to hook this to here and slide it on. Let's take a look at what we've got. So we've got our screws in here, and this is locking this in here and onto this here. So if I turn this, see, it doesn't do it because it's got a key on it. So that looks pretty good. Next, what we got to hook this onto the back of this, and then we've got to put 3 screws in, one there, and one right there. And that's those 3 there. All right, let's do this. Let's get it done. All right, so first of all, before we get going, we've got to connect this, right? We've got to get this connected to here. So if you look on here, you're going to see, you see that? It's got a little squeezer. So all I've got to do is just come up on here, smush it right on, just like that. Now we're ready to go. All right, you guys see that? Now that's ready to go. So now all I've got to do is slide this on. Just got to find the hole like that. Let me show you here. Look, I had to slide it on there, and I've got it on there. And this is going to kind of slip. It's going to kind of slip in underneath there when I close it up like that. And then I just got to put my screws on, right? Right here. So we just got to get in there, just like that. Okay, we got one on. I got to put one here and one here, right? So let's go ahead and get another one. Just put it right in there. Bam, done. And we just need one more. We're Bob's our uncle, right? All right, our last one. We're just going to get it right in there, just like that. See that? Bam, done. Right now, we want to put our handle on, right? So it's very simple. The handle has right here is where we have to put a little post in there. So to do that, they give you a couple extra ones, luckily, in case you lose them because they're small. So if you look here, this is the little itty bitty thingamabob that you got to put in there. So what I'm going to try to do is just get it started here. Just a little bit with my finger, like that. That way I don't lose it. And then we got to use this to tighten it down, right? So let's go ahead and put it on. We got to put it on this way, all right? Because you have the door jamb here. And then all you're going to do is just come over here and let me show you so you guys can see. And slide that in there and turn it just like that. I want to make sure it's all the way on. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, so now it's on there. And if you look, that's your back, right? So now what we got to do is we got to grab the front of it, and we're going to put the front one on. We're going to do the exact same thing, right? Hopefully I can just get it going. You kind of want to get it, just get her, get her like partially in. Maybe you can check it with this. Make sure you're going in the right direction. There we go. So now I'm good. So now to put this on here, all right, I'm going to slide it on here like this. You can see there's a little indentation there where it goes. And then I'm going to kind of hold it. And then I'm just going to turn it. And then you can crank it down once you get it in there. Give it a little turn. Now you can see this doesn't work, right? It doesn't work because we haven't programmed this yet. But I'm going to show you the practical application with the key. If you put the key in and you turn it to the side, then it will work. You follow me? That's your fail-safe if your batteries die. So let's go ahead and grab some batteries. All right, so here we are. Now we got to put our batteries in. We're going to go ahead and slide them in like that. And this is kind of nice because this is much easier than some of the other doors that I've used. I don't know how long these batteries will last, but usually they're 9-volt batteries that you get with these things. But this is not 9-volt. Here's our top, right? Just going to slide it on there, just like that. And bam, we're ready to go. This one had a hole too. That's weird. Interesting. All right, so let's take a look and see what we got going here. All right, so here's our door. Now, if I walk out of here without those keys, I'm in trouble because guess what? I don't have a way to get back in, right? But if I'm inside, I'm good. I just go like that and I can get out. So let's leave this open. We don't want to screw with it. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to put the keys in my pocket in case I walk out and lock the door. All right, so now what I'm going to do is show you how to set up the keyboard and how to program it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to program this thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to touch the keypad. We're going to put the default in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once we've done that, we're going to hit this. Now it's going to give me these numbers. I want to go to 1 because that's to enter a code. Then I'm going to go here, boom. And then I'm going to do, I think, 9, 7, 5. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again. 9, 8, 7, 5. Okay, good. So it should work now. So let's try it. Bam. We changed it. Look at that. And that's how you do it. I was a little perplexed about this hole in here. And then I found this little piece right here that you can use to put in there. And it kind of makes it, gives it a better aesthetic quality right there. So that's it right there. All right, so we're doing good. All right, again, the code on this that we just put in, I just want to show you this part here. I think we went this way. Whoops, let's try it again. Yeah, that's it. So you can see that it pulls right here. I just want you guys to know that was working. But then after a while, see, it stops. So you only have a couple seconds to get in. Strongly recommend getting in there quickly. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff with this crazy thing. Peace out.